All right, team. Today's tutorial, we're going to be rounding out our core elements that we're able to generate by looking at the experiences section. I like to say technically the experiences are kind of interwoven in our entire business, and they're how we drive a world-class client experience for our customers. But for the sake of the generations, we're going to have it as its own section. It's very similar to all of the other ones. So we're going to kind of move pretty quickly through this, but you're able to select the team member, the specific niche of real estate, their member voice or writing style, and the objective. And then you go ahead and hit begin. The system's going to start thinking about everything you told it you want to build. In this case, we're going to do some creative writing. It's going to come back with the refinement questions. Go ahead and go in, read each of these questions, each of the answers, add, edit, adjust, or completely rewrite them however you need to. If you feel like something doesn't make sense, go ahead and unmark it, and then we can hit continue. And the system's going to go ahead and start thinking about all the questions, all of the answers. It's going to think about what we're looking to build, and then it's going to reference our profile settings. And then once it has done that, it's going to be able to create some really highly tuned, custom to us resources, in this case, some creative writing. The idea with this is just creating experiences that are maybe a little out of the ordinary or different than any other agent that they might encounter. So here we have it, our very first stab. We can go ahead and look through it. We could expand it, regenerate it, refine it, copy it once it's ready to go, or edit it if we need to, and then we can save it for later. But this is the experiences section. Like I said, building a world-class client experience is one of the easiest way to set yourself apart in your real estate business. So I encourage you to get in here and start building out some experience pieces. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow for another tutorial.